LED lighting is green technology, good for the environment and your bank account. We'll see how LEDs are also leading the way in interior design lighting that you can do yourself. Baby boomers are living economically and eco-friendly in new communities that offer an active lifestyle tailored to the surrounding lands. Indoor air quality can definitely affect the quality of life for you and your family. Today we visit one home and take the Indoor Air Quality Challenge. This is Designing Spaces Think Green, the show that is all about you, your living space, and living a more eco-friendly lifestyle. We know they are energy efficient, but LEDs have now been designed to meet the most discerning interior concepts. Designing Spaces Think Green visited one home in Smyrna, Georgia, which uses LED lighting for both the environmental impact and the design options. And you can do the same for your home as a DIY project. Take a look.
Designing Spaces Think Green visited this house in Smyrna, Georgia, which uses LED lighting for both the design options and the positive environmental impact.
LEDs are a great option because when you're looking at replacing existing lights or looking to use lighting for a design of a new home or space, it can just create the ambience and mood and change the whole shape of that room. For interior designers, remodelers, or homeowners looking to change the space, Halo LED lighting offers a ton of different trim options and lumen packages to transform any commercial or residential space.
The Halo ML56 series is an innovative system of LED light modules and trims that combine technology and versatility.
Lumens are the amount of usable light coming out of a fixture. For the space that you see here today, it's only an 8 to 10 foot ceiling, so we use 600 lumens for this particular application. If we were to install into a 20 foot ceiling, we would have to upgrade to a 1200 lumen package to outfit that space as well. CRI stands for the Color Rendering Index. The higher the CRI, the better the colors will be lit within the space. So for example, if you have cherry wood cabinets or accent a wall with red color like you see here in the kitchen, the colors will be more brilliant and bright and pop within the space. The Halo LED module is wet location rated, and this is great because consumers can install these within their showers or outdoor covered patios. Airtight is a great feature which will save consumers money over the long run because if you have a hole within your ceiling, air can actually escape into the attic space. When you install the Halo ML56 LED module inside the can, it prevents additional air leakage, which will then save the consumer on their electric bill.
There's a wide array of trims to choose from to create a variety of lighting effects for any space.
Our popular baffles and reflectors, which are really good for general lighting to light up a space.
To highlight artwork, cabinets, or home accents, the semi-regressed eyeball that rotates 360 degrees with a 30-degree tilt will do the job.
We also created an innovative repositional kick reflector that has a magnet so you can actually position the magnet to kick the light where you want it to light up the space.
Always remember to turn off the electric from the breaker box first. Installing the trims can certainly be a DIY job that only takes a few simple steps.
We already uninstalled the existing trim and lamp. Find the notch and align it with the hole in the trim. Once you feel it lock in place, go ahead and lock the clips in place. Screw the Edison base adapter into the existing socket, squeeze the torsion springs, and look for the torsion spring receivers inside the housing. Get those locked in place. It's flush to the ceiling.
LEDs are more than just downlights. You can create task and uplighting effects for any space using the new Halo LED under cabinet designs,
which is great for kitchens, cove lighting, utility lighting, and display cases.
The HU10 under cabinet LED lights are very energy efficient, with 88% energy savings compared to halogen lamp source.
We created a 3/4 inch sleek design. It's 300 lumens, only using 5 watts with a 3000 Kelvin color temperature.
As an alternative design, there's a magnetic puck option that's great for installing above the kitchen cabinets for uplighting.
It's 200 lumens with a 3000 Kelvin color temperature. It comes in various sizes of track and can be filled cut. It comes with a variety of connectors for easy linking, and this is a plug-in fixture with an on-off switch. It's unique because the pucks are actually movable and you can position them where you need the light.
These magnetic pucks last up to 22 years, with 85% energy savings compared to halogen lamps. In keeping with the idea of energy-efficient homes that have style and character, timers are a valuable wiring device that can save on electricity consumption.
Timers are very environmentally friendly because you don't have to rely on yourself to remember to turn off your device. You can hit your timer, it'll turn off automatically, and these products are actually required in some regional and city codes. And we see them connected to the bathroom fans. So after you're done taking a shower, you can hit your timer and it'll go off after, say, 15 minutes. So that's great for not wasting electricity. Bathrooms aren't the only place we see timers being used. They're also used in outdoor lighting or for landscape lighting. Receptacles are a lot different today than they have been in the past. We have receptacles that include USB charging ports for charging your phone or your tablet. We even have receptacles that are controlled by radio frequency that you can control using your phone or your tablet or your computer.
This is the motion sensor-enabled MST series, used for outdoor patio lighting.
The fixture is designed with a 180-degree motion sensor for wall-to-wall coverage, which is great for outdoor garage and patio applications. The innovative design flexibility of the MST series allows the fixture to go from motion to flood with the flip of a switch.
We've gained so much knowledge on how homeowners can simply upgrade existing lighting within their homes with these energy-saving solutions that are really easy to install. These upgrades will not only help to save on our electric bills, but importantly reduce electrical loads that will help our environment.
To learn more, go to cooperlighting.com. Also visit designingspaces.tv, where you can see this portion of the show again. We all want clean water and a healthy ecosystem, and we all want to find ways to lower our cost of living and run more efficient households. The new technologies are here now, improving our lifestyles and the environment. Let's keep moving forward in the right direction, towards a healthier world, and think green.
For more information about anything you've seen on today's show, or to find out how to be part of the show, log on to designingspaces.tv. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.